Morning students, this is the biology class for 11th standard, biobotany. Last class we discussed about this algae and bacteria and virus, bacteria, reproduction, and also for this habitat, organizations, reproduction, nutrition, everything we have to discuss. In this class we discussed fungi. So the science deals with the study of fungi is called mycology. So do you know that fungi means mushroom. Fungi means mushroom. Do you know that? So the Alexander Fleming discovery of this penicillin in the year 1928. During this period of the World War Second World War, he discovered the penicillin. Who is discovered? Sir Alexander Fleming. So he saved the life for the soldiers. So the penicillin discovered by the Alexander Fleming. Interesting story is here. So the Alexander Fleming was worked in the lab. So he worked and left for the lab. He left the lab. For this, and such materials are in that. So after some more time, he entered into the lab. He observed for this some of the fungi. That means some of the substance are here. So that substance, what are they here? He have to observe in this that microscope. He discovered this is that fungi. This is the edible fungi, and also for this it is a beneficial fungi. So edible fungi means we have to eat. So beneficial fungi means we have to use for this medicines. That is such a wonderful story for that in the discovered the penicillin. So it is accidentally it can be discovered. He was discovered in this accidentally. So milestones in mycology. So mycology means. Do you know that is mycology? Mycology meaning the science deals with the study of fungi. The science deals with the study of fungi is called mycology. So understand? So 1729 Mitchell conducted the spore culture experiments and Fontana proved that the fungi would be disease caused in plants. Blacksley proved the fungi could cause the allergy in human beings. Some of the medicine can be allergy. So we have to, any injury in your body, we are going to this hospital. So first a doctor is checked. So what we say that? So penicillin it is accepted in your body. Penicillin So why calling this? Because that fungi is cause the allergy in human beings. Next one, Blacksley reported the scatothylism in fungi. So Roper reported the parasexual cycle. Next we discussed about this fungus. Fungus meanings. Already I told that fungus meaning mushroom. It is a Latin word. Fungus, it is a Latin word. It comes from this mushroom. It is a ubiquitous. Ubiquitous means everywhere. It is seen that everywhere. It is a eukaryotic organism. So to well develop this cell membrane. So achlorophyllus means chlorophylls are absence. A means absence. Heterotrophic organisms. They exist in unicellular or multicellular fungi. The study of fungi is called mycology. So mycos means mushroom. Locus means study. So P.A. Mitchell considered the founder of mycology. And further followed by research is going on that in the further mycologist Further mycologists like Arthur Kachar Buller, John Webster, Coxsmith, Ian Smith, and Mikta Subramanian and T.S. Sadasivan. So all this studied for that fungi. So do you know that fungus meaning? Fungus, it is coming from the Latin word. Its meaning is mushroom. So fungus, it is a orbigo, achlorophyll, sclerotrophic. It is a eukaryotic organism. It exists in unicellular or multicellular forms. The study of fungi is called mycology. So E.J. Woodler is a father of Indian mycology. This is the one word at the time of the examination. Ask the question, who is the Das is the father of Indian mycology. E.J. Butler is the father of Indian mycology. E.J. Butler is the father of Indian mycology. So, and research institute is Buza-Bigar. So, it is later shifted in Delhi. So, it's here and this. They published a book as Fungi and Diseases in Plants. Next, what are the general characters? So, already we discussed about this. Fungi are the chlorophyllous. So, it is thin and filamentous structures is called kyphae. Thin filamentous structures is called kyphae. This is that kyphae in structure. Okay, so the number of kyphae interwoven, that is that interwoven. That is the interwoven. That is interwoven. The form the mycelium. So the cell wall of fungi is made up of this chitin. The cell wall of fungi is made up of chitin and fungal cellulose. So the majority of the fungi is thin-walled structures. Fungi is thin-walled structures and filamentous one. So that is filamentous structures. A branched structures, it is called as kyphae. Filamentous structure is called kyphae. So the number of kyphae is interwoven of that in separated of this that to form that mycelium. The cell wall, it is made up of this chitin. The cell wall, it is made up of this chitin. So next, so the fungal mycelium, it can be classified in the kyphae. So based on the presence or absence of hyphae. So the fungal mycelium is connected by this or can be classified in the presence of septate or aseptate. This one it is septate. This is the absence of septate. So if the absence of septate, it is called cenocytic mycelium. So absence of septate, it is called cenocytic mycelium. So in mycelial forms, the plant body is made up of thread-like structures called kyphae. So that mycelium may be septate or aseptate. When aseptate and multinucleate, that form it is called cenocytic. When the mycelium aseptate means absence of septate and multinucleate. This is that multinucleate. This described as cenocytic mycelium. They described as cenocytic mycelium. The best example is lower fungi. So lower fungi you have to find out. Lower fungi you have to find out. Lower fungi we have to find out. So next one it is the best example is Phycomycete. Phycomycete. So it's just can you guess it? This is the lower fungi, cenocytic mycelium. So this one, can you guess it? Can you guess? In higher forms, septate mycelium is here. In higher form, septate mycelium is here. So Ascomycotina, the best example it is Ascomycotina. Are you understand? So then at the part of the examination, so raising the questions. So in the fungal mycelium, what are the types of this? Based on presence or absence of septoid. Based on the septoid, it can be divided into two types. So what are they? Cenocytic mycelium and say something, ma. Cenocytic mycelium and you see that the picture, septate mycelium. Cenocytic mycelium and septate mycelium. Septate mycelium means presence of septate. So cenocytic mycelium means absence of septate and presence of multinucleate. So the best example, lower fungi in find out in the cenozoic mycelium, septate mycelium to find out in the higher mycelium fungi. So next we discussed about the mycelium. So that is structure of mycelium.